are live here in Methel, 5 Percodi and the neighboring state of Calamity, presenting the candidates in their national costume attire. Starting up with Miss Aruba. Go. Ang gaganda nila. Hello, my friend. Hi, Holly May. Ang daming tao. Okay, ready? Steady. The parade of candidates. Candidate number 1.
Mga kandidata.
Mga kandidata sa pera o bayong. Repa-repa, holbot-holbot portion. Okay, we're getting organized. Hi, Tessie. Oh. Miss Benguet. Miss Cebu. Miss Bacolod. Miss Bohol. Miss Nueva Ecija. Miss Catanduanes. Miss Aklan. Ay, kadaghan. Miss Benguet. Leader ang Miss Bohol. Wow, the Barot Saya, the traditional Filipino outfit. Wow. Oh, Miss Imelda Marcos live. Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Ganda nila. Mga sagala. Miss Nueva Ecija. Miss United Kingdom. Oh! Mabuhay. Mr. Percodi. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Dumaguete. Merci beaucoup, wait, merci beaucoup. Elo, elo. Asa inyo hati? Make love shout out. Asa inyo hati? Saan sa inyo day? Representing?
From Bacolod.
Oh. Saan sa inyo day? Representing anong province? Province.
From Sual, Pangasinan.
Oh.
Sa puso't diwa, Pinoy na isinilang sa ating bansa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Bohol! Miss Cebu!
Ako'y Pinoy na mayroon.
Miss Dumaguete! Miss Bacolod! Mabuhay! 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 Mabuhay, Philippines! Mabuhay! Viva Pitsinyo! Die! Ay! Maria Clara! Die, Maria Clara! Letter C. Letter C formation.
We have to wait first. We will say something. Straight lang tayo, diba?
country is a widely recognized patriotic song in the Philippines, despite being popularly perceived as a folk song and considered by some as the unofficial national anthem. Its origins are in a poem written initially by Jose Corazon de Jesus in 1929. The music for Bayan Ko was composed by Constancio de Guzman, adding a powerful melody to the heartfelt words. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Bayan Ko.